Ron Benham from California built the baby whale in 1963 with a supercharged Pontiac Tempest, 180 cubic four-cylinder. Driver Burke Lesage set a speed record August 24, 1963, on the world's fastest speedway, the Bonneville Salt Flats, Wendover, Utah. Average 213.747 miles per hour. Best time 219.186 miles per hour. 1964. Jerry Kugel drove the lakester to a speed of 203.50 miles per hour. Drury stretched the tank 30 inches to fit the Ford V8 260 engine with the 3-speed top loader. The team of Drury, Fowler, Holmes, and Kugel ran the car at all of the SCTA Bonneville meets. In 1972, Conrad Halburg bought it from Drury and brought it back to Bonneville. Conrad installed the Ford V8 Flathead, but didn't make a successful pass. Although complete, the lakester fell into disrepair, stored outside in the harsh northeast winters. In 2022, Marcia Barker bought it from Conrad Halburg, and the team of Walka, Pease, Higgins, and Barker have been working to restore it back to its 1964 era. In 2023, the team took the lakester to Loring Timing Association, and Marcia drove it to a top speed of 138.4. 2024, the Flying 7 racing team of Barker and Walka took the lakester back to Bonneville to reunite it with some of the people that worked on it and share the memories of this historic race car.